I didn't see you there. Do you want a tour of the School for Field Studies in Australia? Follow me.
Welcome to the School for Field Studies in Queensland, Australia. This is Ellie, and I'm Ella, and our names are very similar. And Ellie has a hat. Let's go.
There are 4 cabins here at the School for Field Studies. This is one of them. Usually they host around 8 people at a time. This is mine in particular, so I'm here for the majority of the program, other than like our excursions that we go on.
Yeah, no, this is cabin 1, and then down the hill is cabins 2, 3, and 4. And you just kind of get put in there with a bunch of people, and they end up being some of your closest buds. It's real fun.
Welcome to the outdoor kitchen space. This is where students can come and make food, and also where we eat all of our meals. Thank you to our lovely chef, Jane, who is on the other side of this window. Jane's really cool, makes really good curry, and also has a farm and taught us everything that we know about syntropic farming, which you will learn too.
Welcome to the classroom. This is where we spend most of our time with our professors studying and learning about the biodiversity of the rainforest.
And other things.
Currently we're studying for our final exam.
Yeah, we do a lot of things in here too, such as study, hang out, do surveys, and don't show the toothpick.
This is another one of our study spaces. We have homie Elise and homie Shay doing their studies for finals. We also have a microscope here, and we can do a lot of our other little tasks here as well. This is another one of our bathrooms and our student library. Follow me to the volleyball court. Careful, slippery when wet. Here, we have a fireplace where we can do a lot of s'mores and getting to know each other. And then here's where the action happens.
Down there, that's where the creek is. And if you want to go down there, you gotta tell a Schwam. You gotta sign out on the board. It's really cool, but you can't go by yourself. But it's really cool, and you should check it out when you're here. Welcome to the lab. This is where we do all sorts of our nitty-gritty laboratory work. We have a lot of cool things in here. I'll show you. I'm out of breath from playing one-person volleyball. I feel like they were really excited to do this, and they just, like, they know, like, good job, but they're just kind of freaking me out. They're super weird. Oh! Hi! Welcome to the student shower blocks. This is where we brush our teeth, use the bathroom, and take a shower. As you can see, there are 2 sides, meaning you can make a choice. On each side, there are 3 toilets, 3 sinks, and 2 showers. So, whenever you're at the end of the day, you're all muddy and sweaty, you've been doing field research all day, you come here, you take a hot and or cold shower.
And these are student health and wellness managers. They're gonna help me right now because I need health and wellness. I took a tumble. Welcome to the student lounge. Here we can work out, watch movies, and even use the restroom.
This is where we can kind of just hang out away from all the staff and watch movies and just hang out with each other. We have a large assortment of excellent DVDs, such as Family Guy Season 1, Family Guy Season 7, Top Gear, Mamma Mia, Here We Go Again, and another copy of Mamma Mia, Here We Go Again, and so many more. Welcome to the car park. This is our final stop. Here we have the cars, but also there's a spot up here where there's pretty decent Wi-Fi, so it's a nice, quiet study space sometimes too. We're all up here right now for directed research. Also up here are Siggy's goats.
Thank you guys for joining us here today, and we hope to see you soon.
Where did Owen? Owen was supposed to be behind the camera like this whole time. Owen's the camera person.
Owen?